Hey everyone, Alex here, and I have an iPad. I'm excited about it. As you can see, I got it at the Galleria at Houston, Texas. Very nice. Got an iPad 16 gigabyte Wi-Fi. Yeah, 16 gigabytes. I'm saving my money with it. I'm so happy. So, let's talk about the box and just open this. Sec. Okay, just switch hands. And plus, yeah, it's already been open. I already activated stuff, so I'm gonna open it again so I can show you. Here's the iPad itself. Open the side on right here. Put it right here. I'm actually gonna put it right here. I'll get that in a minute. Got it on Bible in California. Let's go ahead and open that up. Got applications, warranty information, and big Apple stickers. Go put these back, and I already took out the USB connector to activate it, but also comes with a charger, wall charger. Connect it to wall and right there. Yeah, charge, and that's all coming in the box. So put these back. Okay, back right here. Now time for the iPad. Get this right here. Right, so we have the 9.7-inch screen. Okay, on top you have the power button. Here you have headphone jack. On the left side, you have nothing. On the right side, you have a screen lock. Change it from 12 with link. Nicely. We have volume button up and down. Home button. On the bottom, you have your USB connector and the headphone and the microphone there. And that's all. So thanks for watching again. This is Alex, and talk to you later. Bye.